Welcome to English Learning from Scratch, Nationalities Part 2. Today we learn 5 important nationalities: French, German, Italian, Spanish, and Japanese. These nationalities come from important countries around the world. We pronounce them correctly in English. French and German. French people come from France. The country France is in Western Europe. French is the nationality for people from France. German people come from Germany. The country Germany is in Central Europe. German is the nationality for people from Germany. Italian and Spanish. Italian people come from Italy. The country Italy is famous for pizza and pasta. Italian is the nationality for people from Italy. Spanish people come from Spain. The country Spain is in Southern Europe. Spanish is the nationality for people from Spain. Japanese. Japanese people come from Japan. The country Japan is an island nation in East Asia. Japanese is the nationality for people from Japan. Japan is famous for sushi and technology. French. This is the nationality for people from France. French means someone from the country of France. The word French describes people from France in Europe. French people speak French language. German. This is the nationality for people from Germany. German means someone from the country of Germany. The word German describes people from Germany in Europe. German people speak German language. Italian. This is the nationality for people from Italy. Italian means someone from the country of Italy. The word Italian describes people from Italy in Europe. Italian people speak Italian language. Spanish. This is the nationality for people from Spain. Spanish means someone from the country of Spain. The word Spanish describes people from Spain in Europe. Spanish people speak Spanish language. Japanese. This is the nationality for people from Japan. Japanese means someone from the country of Japan. The word Japanese describes people from Japan in Asia. Japanese people speak Japanese language. Review: French, German, Italian, Spanish, Japanese. These 5 nationalities represent people from 5 important countries. Practice these English nationality words. Thank you for learning with English Learning from Scratch.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.